Good afternoon. This is Jatinder Singh Narula. Today I am near Hyderabad at a stone quarry where our JCB 205 tracked excavator fitted with a JCB hammer is working in this stone quarry. You can see this depth of stone quarry is almost 180 meters, and we have the complete team of MGB motor. We also have Mr. Inderjeet Singh. Sir, can you give your introduction and introduce with the team and then tell about the hammer?
My name is Narshamurthy. I am taking care of attachments in MGB Motor and Auto Agencies Private Limited, which is in Telangana region.
Right.
Actually, this is one of our privileged customers, excavator and rock breaker. He is having nearly 2 breakers.
Right.
2180. He is very much satisfied with that productivity. And where we are now is in Dhanlakshmi stone crushers, one which is located in Kajupalli area. Daily this operation is going here. Manas
is the operator of this machine. Manas जी, आप आगे आ जाएं. आप कहाँ के रहने वाले हैं? उड़ीसा के. Okay, first, which hammer is fitted on this machine?
HM 2180HD.
And how much? Can you give an idea of how much work this hammer is doing per day?
This breaker is almost 3 years completed.
Right.
And they are having a productivity of nearly 60 tons per hour.
60 ton per hour. But from this side, I understand Manas is working in an 8-hour work cycle. He is filling how many trucks? How many trucks
20
are?
trucks.
20 trucks.
20 trucks contains of 30
25 to 30 ton per truck.
Yeah.
So we have between 25 to 30 ton per highway dumper truck multiplied by 20 trucks in an 8-hour work cycle. So that is the productivity from this site is coming. And what is this rock? It is a blue metal?
Blue metal.
Okay.
Now secondary breaking is happening here. They will load it and send it to the crusher.
Right. And we also have the service team of MGB. Can you introduce the two gentlemen?
And this is Vinod, and who is taking care of our attachment services.
Right.
And Mr. Kishore from JCB.
Yes.
Yes, sir, my name is Ravi Kishore.
Right.
I am taking care of all HL machines and PL machines.
Right. So that's great. And we also have
MGB and Sri Sai also.
Sri Sai. Great.
Yeah.
And we also have Mr. Inderjeet Singh, who is heading the parts business here. Anything else about what is good about JCB hammers?
Actually, our maintenance, sir.
Yes.
Comparing to other breakers, our maintenance is 1:3.
Right.
That is our great advantage. And not only that, auto greasing is there.
Yes.
Because of that, our bushes are having a very good lifetime.
Yeah, that's great.
And that is comparing to other breakers, it is one major advantage we have.
And this is our JCB Hammer Master 2180 HD. Right. Okay, thank you very much. With this, I end this report.